Hi guys. So we're gonna test this quiz, client server quiz. So the objective is to test from quiz 5. So test 5 to see what we get. Probably 10. Yeah. The first one is creating a quiz. For that to happen, we have to log in as a teacher. So just log in quickly. Yeah. Let's just create a quiz. Let's just name it Econ W. That's fine. Let's just type in valid date. Let's say 2021. Create a quiz. Start adding questions to it. Let's say it works, right? So we can just click on Econ W and start adding questions to it. Whatever we want. Return. Alright, here we go. So the next one is this works. We just don't enter anything. So here we go. We are not. So it doesn't work. Yep, it works. We've passed the test, I meant. And the next one is quiz with the name already in the database. So let's type in Econ A, which is already in the database. And just try to just give a random date. Let's say 7th tomorrow. 7th of March 2021. Oops. Quiz name chosen is already taken. It works. Delete the questions. So we click here, go to admin. The next test is deleting the question. So we go to admin for that. And if we just click on Econ A and load questions, these are the questions it has. So we'll go for Econ D. Let's just try to add question to Econ D and delete it, because this is pretty good. We can use this for the next testing. We don't delete questions from this Econ A, which is took a long time to fill in legit data. Let's go back to the Econ, return the quiz. Let's go back to adding questions to it. So let's go Econ, just type in random things for sake of it. Add next question, insert it. Nice. Go to admin page. So Econ D, this is what we have. 14. We don't want it, just rubbish. So let's just delete one. There's a question selected. Sorry, Econ D I meant. And delete it. Yep. It's gone. So if we just refresh it, there are no questions associated with this. This time we're just not going to type anything. Try to delete it. It says this, please enter the quiz name and the question number, sorry. So this works as expected. Bear in mind there are some problems with closing the form. Data just does not disappear sometimes. How to just click on me close instead of me hide. So that's the problem we have. That should be alright. Test if an incomplete quiz could be answered by student. Alright. Go back to add questions. Return the quiz. Alright. Log out. We have to log in as a student. So let's just log in as a Ben. Ben 7890. Is that what it was? Yep. Let's just copy his username and password as well. Two, three, four, 5. Welcome to Econ Academy. Alright. So test is so let's say the econ D is incomplete. Alright, so incomplete, my bad. So let's see if we answer it. This is ongoing. Alright, so like this question was first, so it was attempted by him. So we gotta delete the attempt and try to test it again. Let's just click on Econ D. So you can't attempt the quiz which you have already attempted. That's why it wasn't working. So, well, let's do that now. The quiz you have selected is still in building process. So yeah, Econ D doesn't have any questions on it. So